Welcome home to 868 Allenbrook Court in O'Fallon, Illinois. It's our newest coming soon listing, and we'd like to show you a few of the most beautiful features it has to offer. Come on inside and let's take a look around. For most people, the most important room in any home is the kitchen. And check out this awesome kitchen. This center island is probably one of my most favorite pieces of the kitchen. It's nice and big, and you have all this extra counter space here for extra prep. Not to mention this amazing walk-in pantry that has all kinds of organization for you. Come check it out. And who doesn't love an open concept? Check out this great breakfast area that flows into this awesome living room with my favorite custom-made mantle and this beautiful stone fireplace. Here we are downstairs in the finished lower level. You wouldn't even believe you're in a basement with all of this natural light coming in from the windows. Not only is there this great big family living room, there's also a full bath, another bedroom, and the other half of the house is unfinished space for tons of your storage. Well, thanks for taking this tour with us today. This beautiful home will be available on May 22nd for private showing. So if you would like to make an appointment to see the inside and make this the home where you live, where you love, give us a call and we can schedule that for you today.